Hi everyone, I am back for a highlighter tutorial. So today I'll be trying out cocokind highlighters. There's 3 different ones. So first we have the bronzing highlighter. I'm just gonna take a little bit around perimeter. For this I'm just using my fingers with all 3 of the products. So next we're gonna take the rosé color. I'm gonna put it a little bit on my cheeks for like a blush, but then also take it up my face like I would with a regular highlighter. And honestly, I like a lot of blush, so I'm just gonna go in. Yeah, that's it. The final highlighter is the golden one. We're also gonna get some right under my brow bone. I'm actually gonna take the rosé highlighter and I'm gonna take some on my finger and just put some on my eyelid. I love a glossy lid and I feel like this is a really easy way. All right, this is my finished look. I'm all ready for the day, glowing and loving my skin right now, honestly. This cocokind highlighter is so beautiful. Hope you guys liked it.